Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National University School, Maranship. Today, I am going to take an English first paper class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, column 1, 2, CW and 3, HW. Let's see our today's class. Term half-yearly exam, class 8. Subject English first paper, topic column 1, 2, lecture number 15, SW10, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. You can see column question number 8, half-yearly exam, lecture 15. So number 1, the phrases in column A are the beginning of some sentences. The phrases in column B are the endings. Match the phrases column A with the phrases in column B to make complete sentences. So we will make 5 complete sentences. Okay. So column A and column B. Number 1, Bangladesh is an independent country. So we will write a sentence. Bangladesh is an independent country. Next one, we achieved freedom in 1971. So we achieved independence, freedom in 1971. We achieved freedom in 1971. Number 3. Bangladesh is a developing country in South Asia. Number 3 is Bangladesh is a developing country in South Asia. Number 4, it has some obstacles to be developed. It has some obstacles to be developed. Number 5, corruption is one of the main obstacles. So corruption is one of the main obstacles. So we have finished number 1. Let's do number 2. Number 1, man is the maker of his own fate. So we know we are the maker of our own fate. Man is the maker of his own fate. Number 2, a man can surely prosper if he makes proper utilization of time. A man can surely prosper if he makes proper utilization of time. The long sentence. So number 3, youth is the dash golden season of life. You know, youth is the golden season of life. Number 4, it is called the seed time of life. So it is called the seed time of life. Number 5, it is the time when the mind remains soft. So it is the time when the mind remains soft. So this is my today's lecture, my dear students, column 1 2. Let's see our today's SW10 submit on Saturday, question number 8 only answer. So question number 3, column number 3, I'm reading so that you can take a screenshot. I'm not pointing. Column A, column B. Column A, floods are caused. Number 2, heavy rainfall is the floods sweep away. They can be brought. Floods are also caused. Column B, melting of snow in the mountains under control by constructing dam. All sorts of rubbishes or purify the surface for various reasons. Main cause of flood in our country. So my dear students, that's all my today's lecture. Thanks for watching this class. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the school library. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.